In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Bitcoin on eBay. As you can see, I'm on the official eBay website right now. And let's say I want to buy this thing over here. So you go to the product and then select buy now. And when you hit buy now, you will be brought over to the checkout page of eBay. And as you can see, the only way to pay is by PayPal, a credit card, a PayPal credits, or Google Pay. But as you can see, there is no way to pay with Bitcoin. But you have to go to this website called Dundle. Dundle.com is a gift card shop where you can buy online gift cards for Amazon, eBay, and for a lot of companies. So you want to select eBay gift card, and then let's select the $50 one. You can also select the 25 or the 10 if you want. Then hit checkout, then hit checkout again. And as you can see, this website has ton of payment methods. So the third one is BitPay. So you can pay with Bitcoin on Dundle for the gift card of eBay. So you want to hit checkout, and you want to make sure to complete this checkout. So if you have Coinbase, BitPay, or any wallet, you can select it. And then when you go to eBay, you have to paste the code in here, and then you can buy the thing on eBay from your Bitcoin wallet. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.